So here's what every profitable trader needs to do. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. If you're looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, systems and stuff like that for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Let's get into today's video. So this is what every profitable trader needs to do. I always get asked this question: how do I become a profitable, consistently profitable trader? 1. Learn to backtest. You'll be surprised by how much information is contained in charts. Let's see. If you look at historical data, the way the charts have been moving over time, you learn some insights. Learn to backtest your strategies. Learn to backtest things. Sorry about that. So go to your charts. Go to your charts on a weekend when the markets are not moving, when there's nothing to disturb you. Go through the charts. Go through the charts. Everything that you have ever needed is right here on the charts. You learn how your pair moves, what it does before it moves, and things like that. So learn to back test properly. Study historical charts. Guys, there is one rule with the markets. The markets are traded by human beings. Well, now we have algorithms and things like that, but the primary driver is human beings, and human beings are predictable. Human beings are predictable. They will repeat the same things. That's the nature of human beings. So study historical charts. You discover that things that worked in 2010, they still apply in 2021. Things that worked in 2015, they still apply in 2021, because that's the nature of human beings. We are predictable and we repeat behaviors. So study historical charts and understand that the markets will repeat themselves. Why? Because they are traded by people, and people do have repeatable behaviors. Pick a trading method. There are thousands of trading methods, trading strategies out there. It doesn't mean you have to master all of them. Find one that suits your particular personality and how you trade. Is it moving averages? Is it patterns? Is it whatever that method that you find suits you? Find a method that suits you. Find a mentor teaching a method that suits you. Then have a trading plan. Most people trade the markets without a trading plan. You need to know what you will be doing. If, for example, you probably bought here and the market is showing that it's going down, what do you need to do? It needs to be in your plan. If the market came here and it started showing signs of exhaustion, your plan should be able to tell you what you need to be doing. Your plan should tell you risk management. By how much should you risk before you decide I'm quitting, or before you decide to call it a day. So you need to have a trading plan. Have a trading plan that works for you. You are an individual that works for you. So have a trading system and also have a trading plan that works for you. Then another thing is, don't forget about position sizing. You need to position size correctly. Do not risk all your money in one trade unless you are gambling. Do not try to risk all your account in one trade. Never have faith Never have all your faith in one position. Never have all your faith in one position. It's a recipe for disaster. Make sure that you position your entries properly. Your size, your lot sizing. The market is always going to be there, but are you going to be there? That's always the question. Ask yourself, am I always going to be here by this way that I'm trading? Am I always going to be here? If you find yourself that you are constantly having to redeposit into your account so that you can trade some more, then definitely you are using the wrong size. You need to make sure that the size that you are trading with is manageable. It's not too risky. Not too risky. I'm not saying go for the lowest low sizes. Of course, you need to take some risk, but it mustn't be to the detriment of your overall account. Make sure that the lot sizing that you use has got a balance between not risking too much and also making sure that when you win, it's actually worth it. So don't risk too much, but don't risk too little. Find a balance somewhere. Manage your risk. Manage your risk. You need to be able to manage your risk, and that includes minimizing your losses. Guys, I don't know where people get this, but every trading method, every trading strategy will make some losses at some point. So what you want to do is make sure you can manage your losses. If you are losing, get out of the trade. If it's threatening your account, close the trade. You need to have a risk management strategy. Most people do this mistake of actually letting their losses run for a very long time. But when they are winning, because of greed and panic, they quickly close their trades only to watch the market continue in their direction. You are doing things the opposite way. When you realize that your entry, your setup was incorrect, get out of the market. What you want to do is to cut your losses early and let the winning trades run. Stay disciplined. Stay disciplined. Most people have got trading systems. They have got trading plans. They have got rules. They have got this and that and this and that. They have got tons and tons of whatever to help them with their trading. But many people actually don't follow their trading rules. Many people don't follow their trading systems. I don't know. Discipline. Stay disciplined. Stay true to your risk management. Stay true to your trading plan. Stay true to the rules around your trading system, around your trading strategy. Be disciplined. If there are no setups, don't force things. Stay out of the market. Go and do something else. If there are no, don't look for setups where they are not. Go do something else. Stay disciplined. And manage your mindset. Manage your mindset. You are what you think. You are basically the result of all the thoughts that you have in your mind. If you've got a losing mindset, you are definitely going to lose. If you've got a winning mindset, you're going to definitely win. Of course, you might take hits here and there, but that's the nature of the game. But if you have a winning mindset, you will certainly win in the long run. Don't quit. Most people tend to just throw in the towel and they go and try something else. Of course, trading, you can make a lot of money. You can, it's like if you follow on Instagram, you think that it's very easy. Trading is not easy, guys. If somebody tells you trading is easy, they are definitely lying to you. It's doable. You can trade and make lots of money. But if a person comes to you and says trading is easy, that person is lying to you. So do not quit because suddenly things are hectic. Trading is not easy. Trading requires discipline. It requires a lot of things that we've been talking about. The main point is don't quit. One day everything will make sense. One day everything will just make sense. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.